really out of shape now. But I was like, felt disabled. It was so much, it was pelvis pain and then the round ligament. And I don't think I switched to the Webster technique until like 14 weeks. And I came home and I told my husband, I was like, I don't know what she did, but it was magic. Like, and since then, like I'm able to walk every night. I work out 5 days a week. And yeah, and then I'm in like all these moms groups for twins. And so many of them are on bed rest. I'm like, I'm still doing okay. Almost 31 weeks and we're doing all right. So it's been, I mean, a game changer, I think, because I was 8 weeks, I was in so much pain.